According to a study of how much ZIO will cost in 2023, the starting price of ZIO will be $0. Based on what we think the ZIO coin will cost in 2025, the most it can cost is 1 cent. By the end of 2025, the price of ZIO organization is expected to go up and hit 2 cents. The price of ZIO in 2030. We think that the cost of ZIO groups in 2030 will be between 4 cents and 5 cents, and the average cost of ZIO should be around 4 cents. The XYO organization, also known as the XY Business Organization, is a gadget. Collecting and approving topographical parts of map information or data. To do this, location signals from the Internet of Things and cell phones are used. Approving geospatial information is a big part of the gathering. Let's see if the XYO cost estimate makes sense here. Exhaustively, ZIO could make money from trustless, decentralized frameworks or areas. ZIO cryptographic money lets developers of the Shrewd Agreement and blockchain system work with the real world like a programming interface. With the help of a lot of discussions, the structure tries to give exact details. Through a chain of zero knowledge, this way of making decisions makes it less likely that an area will be made fun of. Verification description of XYO ticket. The XY organization's local virtual currency is ZIO. This organization is run by its local virtual currency. It is an X20 token built on Ethereum, and it gives people the same reasons to buy things at every stage of the process. Most people think that the need might have arisen to connect with this present world to check X and Y ranges to ask a question of the company. A customer must have enough ZIO tokens. A portion of the gas cost will be reimbursed to all parties involved in the collection and giving correct answers. The Geo mining app makes it easy for people to mine ZIO digital currency on their phones. All of the utility cases are provided by the ZIO utility coin. The symbolic deal took place on March 20, 2018, and 100 billion tokens were given out. 40% of the tokens were set aside for environment development and showcasing, 35% were set aside for designing, research and development, 15% were set aside for profit network stage use, 5% were set aside for supporting Ethereum stage projects, and 5% were set aside for hearing. Today, the price of ZIO is $0, and in the last 24 hours, $845,422 worth of it has been traded. The total market capitalization is $79,719,442, and there are 12,844,821,266 ZIO in circulation. According to the official data, the all-time high was 8 cents on November 6, 2021, and the all-time low was $0 on March 13, 2020. Looking at how the ZIO price did last year, it shows a downward trend. From November 2021 on, the ZIO coin started to lose value. By December 2021, the ZIO's value had dropped to half of its most expensive price, and the breakdown couldn't find help at any level. After looking at the large support in opposition levels at the current cost, global negativity can also be seen as a reason for the drop of the current exchange meeting. Quick opposition is set at $0, and any climb from this level can cost X and Y dollars to reach the opposition level. Bulls might look for an open door above this, and major resistance is set at 1 cent above this level. Investors can expect a long time to make a decision on a new venture below this level. Quick help is set at $0, and the ZIO price looks for help at $0. Even though people were worried about the state of the economy or large-scale financial risk, this new resource class, digital money, came out on top. High risk and unpredictability investors are betting on coins as long as the price of ZIO is as low as possible. Depending on the basic use of the ZIO coin name framework, biological system and market sentiments. Looking at the other side of bringing and storing digital resources, it's hard to predict the future, so it's best to get good investment advice before making any crypto-related financial decisions. This will help you decide whether to buy or sell ZIO. We should read more about the ZIO price prediction for the next 5 years. ZIO Value Prediction 2023. Based on ZIO Coin Price Prediction, the price of ZIO could hit 1 cent in 2023. After that, there will be a break, and ZIO coins might move slowly in the last few months of the year. The highest price of ZIO is expected to be over 1 cent, and the lowest price may be around $0. The average trading price is also expected to be around 1 cent based on our ZIO price estimate and the current price of ZIO crypto. It will soon be a good investment. XYIA Coin Value Expectation. According to expert analysis and ZIO estimates, the price of ZIO could hit 1 cent in the first quarter of 2024. According to ZIO Coin estimates, the price of ZIO could go over a normal price of 1 cent always. The most it could be worth was 1 cent. According to the XYO cost estimate, the base value of an XYO coin might be around 1 cent. ZIO Value Expectation 2025. ZIO Coin Value Predictions and expert analysis have predicted a starting price of 1 cent. By the end of 2025, the price of X and Y could change to 2 cents. To sum up what people think X and Y will cost in 2025, the lowest and highest costs will be around 1 cent and 2 cents. The ZIO gauge shows that the future price of ZIO will be very attractive because the chances of the price going up are higher than the chances of the price going down. This means that ZIO will be a good investment for the long term. Based on the way prices have been going, the highest price is expected to reach 2 cents by 2026, while the lowest price could reach 2 cents over time. Our ZIO future cost expectation says that the average price of ZIO will be 2 cents. ZIO Crypto Value Expectation 2027. The price prediction for 2027 is very optimistic, with the highest price expected to be 2 cents and the lowest price expected to be 2 cents. This is based on the ZIO price prediction for 2027. Based on our own research, the average price is around 2 cents. ZIO Value Expectations for 2028. In 2028, the price growth of the XYO unit may be slower than in the previous year, and the price should move between 2 cents and 3 cents, according to our ZIO predictions for that year. The average price will be around 2 cents. Based on our ZIO coin price prediction for 2029, it's possible that ZIO will be able to get past the 3 cents barrier and stay on the market until the end of 2029. The lowest ZIO price will be around 2 cents, and the highest price could be 3 cents. The most likely ZIO price will stay at 3 cents. ZIO Value Expectation 2030. There is a good chance that ZIO Coin Value Prediction 2030 will keep going up by a huge amount. How? But it's also possible that it won't reach its normal highest level.